Be there. Krishna. Dale, पूनम बरकत समर्पण ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹರೆ 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 ರಾಮ ಹರೆ ರಾಮ ಹರೆ 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 Hare Krishna and welcome to Gita for Life session. India Heritage Foundation extends a very warm welcome to all of you. So here we are today to discuss on the first chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, and we have been covering many verses. We are almost towards the end of the chapter. So before we begin and go through the verse recitation, translation, and discussion, let's begin with a small prayer. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Preshthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrind Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. This is a prayer that is offered to the spiritual master in what we call as the Guru Puja. This is something which is part of our daily sadhana, and it is very important that we offer this on a daily basis. So I've sang this last time, I'll also sing this time. Request Radhika Mataji if you can share the screen. This is composed by a very renowned, a stalwart Acharya, Sri Narottam Das Thakur. And this is how it goes. It's called Sri Guru Vandana prayers, worshipping or we offering his prayers, glorifying the spiritual master. Sri Guru Charana Padma Evata Kati Padma Shri Guru Charana Padma Kevata Kati Sadma Bando Mohi Savadhana Mate Bando Mohi Savadhana Mate Jah प्रसादे भाई ये भवा तुरिया जाय कृष्ण प्राप्ति हो जा होते कृष्ण प्राप्ति हो जा होते गुरुमुखा पद्माभक्या चित्ते कोरियाय क्या गुरुमुखा पद्माभक्या चित्ते कोरियाय क्या अरना कोरी हो माने आशा अरना कोरी हो माने आशा श्री गुरु चरण रति ऐसे उत्तम गति श्री गुरु चरण रति ऐसे उत्तम गति जय प्रसाद पूरे सर्वा आशा जय प्रसाद पूरे सर्वा आशा सचुदान दिलो जय, जन्मे जन्मे प्रभु से, दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशितो, प्रेम भक्ति जाहा होइते, अविद्या विनाशा जाते, वेद गाय जहर चरितो, श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु अधम जनार बंधु, लोकनाथ लोके राजवाना, आहा प्रभु कर दया, देह मोरे पद छाया, आहा प्रभु कर दया, देह मोरे पद छाया, प्रभु कर दया, देह मोरे पद छाया, एबे जासु शुक्र भुवाना, एबे जासु शुक्र भुवाना, जय प्रभुपदा 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 प्रभुपदा, जय जय गुरुदेव प्रभुपाद, गुरुदेव प्रभुपाद, निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल, जय राधा कृष्णा चंद्र राधा कृष्णा चंद्र राधे, जय राधा कृष्ण चंद्र राधा कृष्ण चंद्र राधे, जय कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम, वृंदावन धाम, जय कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम, जय वृंदावन धाम, जय गौरानिताय गौरानिताय गौरानिताय, जय गौरानिताय निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल, जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 प्रभुपाद, जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य स्तोत्र शत श्रीमद् डिवाइन ग्रेस अभय चरणारविंद भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्री प्रभुपाद की, जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य स्तोत्र शत श्रीमद् डिवाइन ग्रेस भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर महाराज की, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव की जय, आचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर की, षड गोस्वामी प्रेम से कृष्ण नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंद। Hare Krishna. So let's begin from where we stopped last time. Here I am sharing the screen. This is so reading from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 1, entitled Observing the Armies on the Battlefield of Kurukshetra. And today we'll read verse 38 and 37, 38 and 39. So I will read 37, 38 by myself. No, why is 39? 39 is after this. Yeah. 37 and 38 I will read by myself, and 39 we can have a little follow. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. यद्यप्येतेन पश्यन्ति लोभोपहत चेतसः kulakshaya kritam dosham mitra drohe cha patakam katam na jneyam asmabhi papadasma nivartitum kulakshaya kritam dosham prapashyadbhir janardhana. Synonyms. Yadi, if. No, I'll go to the translation directly. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace is Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Jai Shri Prabhupada. Translation. O Janardhana, although these men, overtaken by grief, see no fault in killing one's family or quarreling with friends, why should we, with knowledge of the sin, engage in these acts? Purport by Srila Prabhupada. A Kshatriya is not supposed to refuse to battle or gamble when he is so invited by some rival party. Under such obligation, Arjuna could not refuse to fight because he was challenged by the party of Duryodhana. In this connection, Arjuna considered that the other party might be blind to the effects of such a challenge. Arjuna, however, could see the evil consequences and could not accept the challenge. Obligation is actually binding when the effect is good, but when the effect is otherwise, then no one can be bound. Considering all the pros and cons, Arjuna decided not to fight. I'll read the next verse. Kulakshaye pranashyanti kuladharma sanatana dharme nashte kulam kritsnam adharmo bhivamatyuta. Kulakshaye pranashyanti kuladharma sanatana dharme nashte kulam kritsnam adharmo bhivavatyuti. Adharmo bhivavatyuta. Kulakshaye pranashyanti kuladharma sanatana dharme nashte kulam kritsnam adharmo bhivavatyuti. Adharmo bhivavatyuta. Anybody would like to try? Any volunteers?
I can try.
Yes, Mother.
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Kulakshaye pranashyanti kuladharma sanatana dharme nashte kulam krasnam adharmo bhavatyuyata.
Yes, thank you. Anybody else? Please try.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, I can try.
Yes, Mother.
Kulakshaye pranasyanti kuladharma sanatanaha dharme naste kulam krishnam adharmo bhivavatyuta.
Thank you. Anybody else?
So I can try.
Yeah, Dilip. Go ahead.
Kulakshaye pranashyanti kuladharma sanatanaha dharme nashte kulam krishnam adharmo bhivavatyuta.
Thank you. Synonyms. Kulakshaye, in destroying the family. Pranashyanti, becomes vanquished. Kuladharma, the family traditions. Sanatana, eternal. Dharme, in religion. Nashte, being destroyed. Kulam, family. Kritsna, wholesale. Adharmaha, irreligious. Abhibhavati, transforms. Uta, it is said. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Translation. With the destruction of dynasty, the eternal family tradition is vanquished, and thus the rest of the family becomes involved in irreligious practice. Purport. In the Varnashrama institution, there are many principles of religious traditions to help members of the family grow properly and attain spiritual values. The elder members are responsible for such purifying processes in the family, beginning from birth to death. But on the death of elder members, such family traditions of purification may stop, and the remaining younger family members may develop irreligious habits and thereby lose their chance for spiritual salvation. Therefore, for no purpose should the elder members of the family be slain. Thus ends the Bhaktivedanta Pad. So here we are seeing various reasons that Arjuna is putting forward. And actually, this is a testimony to Arjuna's character, because he is feeling great responsible for his actions, and he's very carefully analyzing of the consequences of his actions, and he's trying to reason with Krishna so that he gets a full clarity about what he's going to do. And he was thinking that the other party, because they are overcome by greed and lust, kama lobha pahataha, kama lobha, that is lust and greed. When somebody is overcome by lust, when somebody is overcome by greed, then their intelligence will stop working. And later on, they will be very regretful of what they did. Just last week, we were talking about our health minister here. Out impelled by lust, he indulged in certain activities, and which became highlighted in the media, and immediately he had to tender his resignation, and he was very apologetic afterwards. So that moment, he was overcome by lust, and then he indulged in activities for which he was later regretful. So this is exactly what happens if you are not able to manage these vices. These vices of lust, of this greed, these are, as Krishna describes in the Bhagavad Gita, Trividam Narakasyedam. There are three gateways to hell: lust, greed, and anger. Trividam Narakasyedam, he mentions this. So, any sane man should be very careful and watch about how he is dealing with these vices. In fact, these vices can be, people have no idea about how to manage these vices, and we helplessly become victims of these vices again and again and again. Unless somebody takes up the process of Krishna consciousness, they will not be able to overcome these vices. These are the enemies which are sitting within us, and one need not look too far to find one's enemies. Your greatest enemy is our uncontrolled mind and our uncontrolled senses. These are our greatest enemies. And the whole process of Krishna consciousness is so wonderful that simply by embarking on this journey of Krishna consciousness, one automatically becomes, one is able to overcome the influence of all these voices. Further, we are seeing about Arjuna talking about how the elders in the family, they should not be killed. Because he's seeing the battlefield, Mathura, Sasura, those who are equal to my fathers, my grandfathers, my fathers-in-law, and though my cousins, all of these people, they have all assembled on the battlefield, and they're all going to participate in the battlefield, and there will be casualties on both sides. And then what will happen as a result? All these elders in the family, if they perish, then it will destroy the family tradition. He's talking about Kula Dharma. Now, this is a very important consideration which he brought up. And it is important to understand what he is fully referring to, so that we can get a better context of what of all these discussions. It is said, Janmana jayate Shudra, Samskarat bhavet Dvijaha, Veda Patat bhavet Vipraha, Brahma janati iti Brahmana. Some Janmana jayate Shudra. So the whole arrangement in the Vedic civilization, first class civilization, advanced civilization, we can see how wonderfully the society was harmonized. By birth, Janmana jayate Shudra. By birth, everybody is Shudra. It doesn't matter which your family is born. Because uh, uh, the divisions of the four Varnas and the four Ashramas, which is known as the Varnashrama Dharma. Chatur Varanam Maya Shrishtam Guna Karma Vibhagasha. Krishna is saying. This Chatur Varana. What is this Chatur Varana? Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. These divisions are made based on one's quality and not based on birth. Krishna doesn't say Janma Karma Vibhagasha. Chatur Varanam Maya Shrishtam Guna Karma. Guna Karma means based on his qualification. So by qualification, by Janmana Jayate Shudra, that means at birth, everybody is a Shudra. Shudra means he's the lowest amongst all the Varnas. The Shudra literally means one who laments unnecessarily. A person who is in a bodily consciousness and who unnecessarily laments, he's a Shudra. But a person who is in knowledge, a Brahmana, Brahma janati iti Brahmana, he has realized the absolute truth. Not because he's born in a Brahmana family, he becomes Brahmana. No. He should have qualification of a Brahmana. So, just like if, say, somebody is a doctor, their son will not become automatically doctor. You are son of a doctor, but you are not. If you have to become doctor, you have to get qualified. You have to also go to a medical school. You also have to get a certificate. You also should get a registration license to practice. Then only you become doctor. Just because your father is a doctor, you cannot become doctor. Same principle. Because your father is a lawyer, you cannot become a lawyer. It is not Janma Karma Vibhagasha. It's Guna Karma. If you have the qualification, then you are entitled. So likewise, such a scientific division that it was, the society was so organized that there is an arrangement for providing training for everybody in the society so that they can gradually elevate themselves and become a Vaishnava, become a pure devotee of Krishna. This was the whole arrangement. The whole purpose of this Varnashrama institution was to elevate one to the position of his original identity. Jivera Swarupai Krishnera Nitya Das. That is the whole purpose. So it is said, the arrangements that was in place, it's very interesting. So there were to elevate a person who is least qualified. Janmana Jayate Shudra. You are a Shudra by birth. To gradually elevate him, there were so many samskaras. Samskarat bhavet dvijaha. These are reformatory processes by which one becomes elevated in his spiritual journey. That's the whole purpose of this samskara. What are the samskaras? There are the samskaras which are prescribed for Brahmana. There are samskaras prescribed for Kshatriya, samskaras prescribed for Vaishya, for Shudra. Likewise, there are all the samskaras, beginning from even conception, beginning from Garbhadhana samskar. Conception was also, it was planned in such a way that a good progeny is conceived. Not that conception happens because somewhere out of lust, a man and a woman unite and they conceive. No, this was not the idea of begetting good progeny. So there is a samskar, Garbhadhana samskar. Both the husband and wife, they prepare their consciousness so that a God-conscious child will be born. Very important. So likewise, from Garbhadana samskara. Then after that, the child is born. Then there is Mundan, there is Chudakarana, then there is Annaprashna. So many samskara. Up to the point, Dashaveda samskara. There are 10 reformatory processes, which are very important, which is to help that jiva to become gradually purified, become regulated in his life. So whose responsibility is this? Is the parents' responsibility, the elders' responsibility to guide the younger family members in the right direction. So it comes to the point. One of them is also marriage, very important. There is an arrangement, there is an institution called, there is a Vivaha Yajna. That is why this is there. This is very important. Otherwise, they simply live like cats and dogs. So there is in all religious systems, this institution is very much stressed. Why? So that they live responsibly, not like animals. And why? What is the? Because there is no discrimination. Animals have no discrimination. The animal in an animal. Why is the often we hear this comparison? Why this comparison is there between animals and human beings? Animals, there is no discrimination. If you see cats, if you see dogs, what discrimination? The son will have sex with his mother, with his sister, with his daughter. These are animals. They have no discrimination. Likewise, the daughter will have sex with father, with brother, with son. This is animal life. Cats and dogs, they have no discrimination. Human beings cannot be like this. Therefore, there is institution. There is regulated. Okay, there are necessities. There are urges. So there is a provision for sense enjoyment in a regulated way. So there is an arrangement that is made. So it's a great science. There's so many details to all this. So likewise, there are so many samskaras like this, so that a person can be regulated in his sense enjoyment, and gradually he give up sense enjoyment, completely become detached and surrender unto the Lotus feet of Krishna. So all these samskaras. So that's why they said samskara bhave dvija. When one by following all these samskaras, at the end he comes in touch with the spiritual master. And when he takes shelter of a spiritual master, the spiritual master trains him or her, in by giving Harinam Diksha, and then encourages to study the scriptures, just like we are reading Srimad Bhagavatam. So, and then when they become knowledgeable, he is awarded what is known as the sacred. So the point when one becomes initiated by the spiritual master, that is his second birth. Dvijaha. Ja. So this is na jayate mriyate va kadachit. Krishna is saying na jayate. The soul, there is no birth. Na jayate mriyate va kadachit. Not there is any death. So here it is said dvija. Dvija means, dvi means second, and ja means birth. The moment, as far as birth from a father and mother is concerned, that every living being has got. Having a father and mother, that is not a great achievement. That every living entity has got. Birds have got father and mother, dog has got father and mother, insect has got father and mother. Every living entity has got father. That is not an achievement. But to have a second birth by accepting the spiritual, when one takes shelter of the spiritual master as the father and the Vedic literatures as the mother. That becomes second birth. That is called Dvija. So, so that is why it is said, samskara bhave dvijaha. By all these samskaras, one becomes qualified to take shelter, take shelter of this of a spiritual master. And then the spiritual master guides the disciple how they can surrender to Krishna and become qualified to go back to Godhead. And then it is said, Veda Pathat Bhaved Vipraha. The spiritual master encourages the disciple to engage in study of the Vedic literatures. And Brahma Janati iti Brahmana, a person who has realization of the absolute truth. By studying the scriptures under the guidance of the spiritual master, then one gets a realization of what is the absolute truth. Who am I? And the best of the Brahmana is a Vaishnava. So like this, there is a such a an arrangement that exists, a responsibility that exists for all the Varnas and all the Ashramas. Varnashrama Acharavata Purushena Parafkuman. This is the Vishnu Purana. Varnashrama Acharavata Purushena Parafkuman. Vishnu Radhite Pantha Nanya Tatto Shakar. Which means Varnashrama, all this observance which is followed in every Varna, whether it is Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, or Ashrama, four ashramas, Brahmacharya Ashrama, Grihastha Ashrama, Vanaprastha Ashrama, Sannyasa Ashrama. What is the whole purpose of following all these rules and regulations? The purpose is Varnashrama Achara Nanya Tattosha Karanam. Vishnu Aradhyate Nanya Tattosha Karanam. The whole purpose of following all these Varnashrama is to please Vishnu. If somebody is rigidly sticking to their respective Varna and Dharma, then they are pleasing Vishnu by performing their duties, and gradually they will make advancement. So this is the whole scheme of the divisions and all this Varna and Ashrama. And according to the respective Varna, they have responsibilities to discharge. It is a very serious responsibility, as we will see in the Vedic culture. It is very important that the children, they offer pinda, because there are our forefathers. There is a recognition of this is called being. Thank you. There is so much of we can see the sensitivity of various considerations. There is a recognition that we have obligations to so many individuals. Devarshi bhuta pitranam kinkaro nayam charajan sarvatmanaya sharanam sharanyam gato mukundam parihata kartum. This is Srimad Bhagavatam. What is it? Devarshi, one is obliged. We have obligations to the devas, the devatas. Now, fortunately, some sunlight is visible, otherwise it is cloudy. The sun god is giving sunlight. He is giving heat by which life exists on this planet. We are obliged to the sun god, Vivaswan, for providing us all these benefits. Just like if I am consuming, every month there are bills coming. How much gas I consume, how much electricity I consume, how much data I consume. There is a bill. If you don't pay the bill, this connection will be cut off. Now here, sun god is giving sunlight. What tax are we paying? Everybody is enjoying freely. So there is a sense of any sensible person understands these are all facilities provided by the devatas for my peaceful existence, and I have obligations to all of them. I'm enjoying the service. Here, if I don't pay my bill, they cut off electricity supply, they cut off everywhere. They cut off water supply if you are a defaulter. Because yes, you are enjoying the services, so you're duty bound to repay. So you're enjoying the facility of air, Vayu Deva is giving. rain, Indradevi is giving. Bhudevi is giving all crops, vegetables, fruits. Like this, there are so many devatas who are all providing various benefits. Therefore, a sensible person, he feels obliged. Yes, I have my duties to perform to all of them. He is grateful. He is not ungrateful. He recognizes, yes, I have obligation. Therefore, Deva, one has duties towards the Devatas. There are 33 crore Devatas. All of them are doing one or the other way we are benefiting from them. And then there are Rishis. We are reading Bhagavad Gita, we are discussing, and we are taking benefit. Now, who has given this Bhagavad Gita? All these saintly persons like Prabhupada, Acharyas, Vyasadeva, all of these saintly persons, they are sharing their realizations. And we are not paying money for it. These are all free. Anybody can come and anybody can attend, anybody can benefit. For gaining material knowledge, somebody was telling me if you have to go, if you have to apply for a MBA program in Harvard, minimum they have to have for all the expenses, they should have 1 crore rupees. I don't know how that calculation is, how much is the tuition fees and how much is the various other expenses. But for even for material education, one has to pay money. Otherwise, you cannot access. There is payment. You have to pay. What for Jada Vidya, for a third class knowledge, one has to pay money. What about this knowledge? This is Divya Gyan. This is Raja Vidya, Rajavihyam, Pavitram, Idam Uttamam. This is transcendental knowledge. And for this knowledge, there is no price. One can simply access. It is being made available to you and me for us to take benefit. Don't we have any obligation to pay for going to Harvard and Cambridge and these universities? I have to pay some money. I have to have qualification. And this knowledge is being made available to me by the blessings of all the acharyas, by the blessings of Vyasadeva, all the acharyas in the parampara, and by Krishna's blessings. And we are having access to this. Till now, we have not asked any money from anybody who's attending this program. We are giving free education. This is the Brahmana's duty. He has to distribute knowledge. Yajana, yajana, patana, patana, dana, pratigraha. He has to himself practice and he has to share this knowledge with everybody. And we're not charging for this. This is the highest knowledge. So we are obliged. From where are we getting this knowledge? Because acharyas we are going through the teachings of Swami Prabhupada, Bhagavad Gita as it is, which is why we are able to talk about Krishna, we are able to understand about Krishna. That's what we knew. What is our position? So there is obligation, there is a sense of gratitude because we are taking benefit of their knowledge and we are improving our life. How can I be ungrateful? So Deva Rishi, Bhuta. So I have obligations to other living entities. There are so many living entities I'm taking benefit from. Like for example, in our day-to-day life, we are drinking curds, yogurt. How this yogurt is formed? Some bacteria, lactobacilli, is converting milk to curds. So you're taking service from that bacteria. So like that, we are taking service from so many living entities. We are taking service of cow. She's giving us her milk, by which we are sustaining our body, our life. So we are taking benefit of so many living entities in our day-to-day life. So therefore, we are obliged to these living entities. Deva, Rishi, Bhuta, Apta. We are obliged to our relatives, our family members, because they have extended their love and care. They have extended their support. They've extended their affection. They've extended their care. So we are obliged to them because we have benefited from them. Deva, Rishi, Bhuta, Apta, Pitru. Pitru means forefathers. We have obligations to forefathers. Why I should have obligations to forefathers? Because we're born in a certain family, and our family, there are some traditions being followed, which were followed by our forefathers. And we are deriving the benefit of all the tradition which they have set in place. And I have got my body from my father. My father has got his body from his father and his father. So from the forefathers, that is how we have got our body also. So these are all things. So that's why Arjuna is being very, very he's contemplating from various angles on how I can destroy the family. I have obligations. So Deva Rishi Bhuta Apta Pitra Nirnam. Nirnam means fellow human beings. Like for example, I'm using this. We have this is St. Albans Road here. There is a public service. There are so many buses that is going. Some buses are going to Luton, some buses are going to Hemel Hempstead. So there are so many buses going up and down. And then there is a tube station where there is rail by which we can go to central London, we can go towards Manchester, we can go to all these places. So all these public services, who is maintaining? It is coming from people's taxes. Somebody is paying tax. Somebody is paying tax, and I'm enjoying the benefit of it. I'm enjoying the benefit of all this neat roads. There is vigilance to see that there is traffic which is being maintained. There are police who's there to provide security to my life. So all these people, how am I enjoying these services? Because so many people are paying tax for it. So there are so many other people to whom I'm also obliged because I'm taking their services. So like this, a human being has got so many debts. Deva Rishi Bhuta Apta Pitru Nrina. Na kinkaro nayam rini charajan. Rini means you're indebted. You're indebted. You're indebted to all these people. And if you don't recognize that you're indebted, then you're very sinful. You're very sinful, ungrateful. So there will be consequence. If one does not show one's gratitude, one does not fulfill his obligations, there will be sinful reactions. You'll have to suffer for them. So like this, Arjuna is making analysis of, I have obligations, we have duties to perform. If the family is not properly guided, then the younger family members will be misled. They will not follow all the samskaras which they have to follow, and then there will be irreligion in the family. How can the elders be slain? Because they are upholding dharma in the family. There will be varna sankara. There will be unwanted progeny, and so you will see all those arguments which is coming, which is so valid, which is so important. So this verse goes on to say the obligations that we have and the duties that we have. These are, of course, during the when the Vedic culture was predominant, people were very conscious of all these things, and they would conduct themselves very responsibly, making sure that they fulfill all their obligations. But today, these things are all gone. They don't exist. Who knows about samskara? Who knows about? So these are all. It's a long back. It's all become extinct. There's no point about talking about all these samskaras today. Janmana jayate shudra. Everybody is shudra. There is hardly any. Maybe there are some Vaishyas. There are hardly any Kshatriyas, nor there are any Brahmanas. Society is full of Shudras, low class. So what happens so that's the reason we cannot expect there will be happiness and peace if we are ruled and governed by such low class people who have no higher understanding about why we are here, what is the goal of our life. So given these circumstances, which is why the verse goes on to say, Devarshi bhuta pitranam kinkaro nayam vrini charajan sarvatmana sharanam sharanyam gato mukundam parihritya kartum. Gato mukundam parihritya kartum. Mukunda is Krishna, giver of liberation. But although I may have all these obligations, but if a person completely surrenders to Krishna, then that person, he becomes free from all obligation. He has no obligation. It is just like there is a tree. Tree has got so many branches. And if I have to pour water on every leaf and every twig and every branch, it is so laborious. And neither that leaf, twig, and branch will be happy if I pour water on them, nor will I be happy. So that way, if I have to fulfill my obligations to every one of them, it is very difficult. But the easy process is, if you pour water to the root, which is a source of all nourishment to all the six branches of the tree, then once for all your obligations are taken. Automatically the water will go to every leaf, every twig, and every branch. So that is the process by which one can easily fulfill all of his obligations by surrendering unto Krishna. And for those who don't surrender to Krishna, then they will be held responsible for their obligations to every one of these members. Deva, Devata, Rishi, Pitru, Bhuta, Apta, Nirnam, they will be held accountable for not paying their not fulfilling their obligations to each one of them, and they'll have to face consequences. Only exception to this is for somebody who has taken shelter of Krishna, who has completely surrendered to Krishna, because Krishna is the source. Krishna is the root of the tree of all this branch and twig. So, despite all this varnashrama dharma being completely dismantled, all these samskaras completely, they don't exist anymore. Still, if one can take up this process of Krishna consciousness, one can take up this process of this is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's gift to the people of this Kali Yuga who are so fallen, who have no vision about why they're here, what is their life, what are their duties and obligations, who have no knowledge, who are simply living an ignorant life like an animal. So, for the deliverance of us who are born in this dark age of Kali, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given a very, very simple process. What is that? Nama Sankirtana. Just by chanting and hearing the holy names of Krishna, one can completely become surrendered to the Supreme Lord. That's why it is said, Harer Nama, Harer Nama, Harer Namavya Kevalam. Kalau Nasteva Nasteva Gatir Anyatha. This is Brihan Naradiya Purana, which says that Harer Nama, Harer Nama, Harer Namavya Kevalam. In this age of Kali, there is no other way. Nasteva, 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 Gatir Anyatha. There is no other way. There is no other way, and there is no other way than this process of chanting Harer Nama, Harer Nama, Harer Namavya Kevalam. This is the only way in this age by which one can become freed from all these obligations. One can become completely devoted to Lord Krishna, and completely surrender to Lord Krishna. One can awaken one's original constitutional position as an eternal loving servant of Krishna and become qualified to get promoted to the spiritual world. This is the only process. There is no other way. There is no other way. There is no other way. Nasteva, 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 Gatir Anyatha. This is the Brihan Narada. So, these considerations of Arjuna are very insightful, because it helps us understand of what all obligations and duties that we have, and in our given circumstances, how best one can fulfill these duties and obligations to all the living entities. And we'll see further about how Arjuna will state some more consequences of what will happen if the family tradition is vanquished. And in the next session, we'll hear about Arjuna developing this further and talking about how when family members or the elders are slain, then the women in the family become devoid of protection, and there is every chance that these women can become polluted. So, and he will give more reasons about, and all of these are very, very scientific, very, very valid. So let's look forward to that in the upcoming sessions. We'll close for now. Let's Before we proceed with the questions and answers, discussions, or any comments that you would like to share, let us chant one round of the Hare Krishna mantra with Prabhupada and Singh. Here I'm sharing the screen. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's begin. Prabhupada is chanting the Panchatattva mantra, so we can repeat with Prabhupada and also chant the 108 times.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, we are not able to hear the video. Hare Krishna Prabhuji?
Yeah.
Unable to hear the video.
Come again?
Unable to hear Prabhupada's voice.
Oh, is it? I'm sorry.
Would you like me to share, Prabhuji?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. I thought I did. I'm sorry. I don't know why this. Go ahead, Mother. You can share that. Let's start from beginning.
Sure.
Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Radha Srivasadi Gaur Bhakti Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Ram
Ram
Hare
Ram.
Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna
Krishna
Hare Hare,
Krishna Hare
Hare
Hare,
Ram
Hare Ram
Ram
Hare Ram Ram
Hare Hare,
Ram
Hare Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Hare Krishna
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 Hare
Krishna
Hare,
Hare
Hare Ram
Hare Ram Hare Ram
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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna Hare
Krishna
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 Hare
Krishna
Hare,
Hare
Hare Ram
Hare Ram
Ram
Hare Ram Ram
Hare Hare, Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
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 Hare
Krishna
Hare,
Hare
Hare Ram
Hare Ram Hare Ram
Hare Hare, Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna
Krishna
Hare Krishna
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 Hare
Krishna
Hare,
Hare
Hare Ram
Hare Ram Hare Ram
Hare Hare, Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna
Krishna
Hare Krishna
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 Hare
Krishna
Hare,
Hare
Hare Ram
Hare Ram Hare Ram
Hare Hare, Hare Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna Hare Krishna
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 Hare
Krishna
Hare,
Hare
Hare Ram
Hare Ram
Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare So that was 108 times. If there are any questions, any comments, we have some time. We can discuss before we close. And yes, I hope, as I've been mentioning last 2 weeks, devotees are making an attempt to write the Vyasa Puja offering. This is very soon we are celebrating the 125th appearance day of Swami Srila Prabhupada, who is the inspiration and guidance behind these sessions that we're conducting through the India Heritage Foundation, London. And it's a wonderful opportunity for every one of us to offer our gratitude and appreciation to the spiritual master by writing a homage. And I had shared the details in the group. I'll also share it maybe today once again. So please take some time. I think next week is the last. We just have one more week to go, and then after that, we will miss this opportunity. So devotees all over the world, they will be submitting their homages, and it will all be compiled in one book, and that will be offered to Prabhupada on his birthday celebration, which is known as the Vyasa Puja. So if you haven't, then please see that if you try to put some effort in that direction. Anybody would like to share something? If anybody has any questions on today's session or anything from the previous session?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you for today's session because it made us realize how often we can take nature for granted. We depend on so many tiny living entities as well as other features of nature. But because we are indebted to so many such living entities, including nature, does that mean that until we exist, we continue to be indebted, and so we will be reborn to sort of to get ourselves non-indebted? Because until there is debt, we are supposed to be born again so we can
Yes,
pay that back,
yes,
isn't
yes.
it?
True, true. Until we clear off all these debts, one must be born again. One will be born again to clear off the debt. Yes. And one can clear off all these debts only by surrendering to Krishna. Therefore, one must make every attempt, every endeavor to completely devote oneself in the service of Guru and Krishna. Then you will be free from all obligations. Otherwise, we are bound by obligations, and one will be forced to take another birth till we repay back. Because if you don't pay back, then you are a defaulter. Just like here, if you are enjoying the services and you don't pay, then a person who enjoys services but doesn't pay back, it's like if I go to a shop, the shop, they have so many things. If I go to High Street, there is Wilkinson's, there is Primark, and there is so many other stores. I want to buy all the things what I want. I can buy a jacket, buy some shoes. I take whatever I want. And if I try to exit the shop without paying, will they allow me? They will not. All the sensors will beep and I will be caught. And they can even hand me over to the police. I will be considered a thief. A thief is a person who enjoys the facilities but doesn't want to pay for it. He's a thief. So Krishna says it, Stena evasa uchyate. People who want to enjoy all the facilities given by God and his servants and doesn't want to pay back, he's a thief. And what can a thief expect? A thief can expect punishment. That is what is due for him. So if we are suffering in this material world, first of all, having this material body itself is suffering. This shows because we have been ungrateful, we have been neglectful of our duties. This is why we are currently having this body. This is the reason, and we will continue to have. And the more we are negligent of our duties, the more sinful birth we will get. Somebody will be born as a dog on the street, as a bird, as an insect, as a worm in the stool. They will be born. Why they're born? Why one insect? Even amongst animals, there are pious and there are sinful animals. Like in the birds, there is a bird called Hamsa, the swan, Raja Hamsa. That is a very pious bird. And there is a bird which is like called the crow, which is a very sinful bird. The crows are attracted to garbage and rubbish. They delight in garbage. The Hamsa will never go to these dirty places. It always likes clean environment. It keeps its body very clean. It likes pristine water, lotus. So even in birds, there are pious and there are sinful. Likewise, even trees. There are trees which give nice fruits, nice flowers. They're pious, and there are other trees which don't give any tree, which cannot be used as fuel, cannot give any fruit, cannot give any flower. It only gives thorns. They are sinful trees. Like that, even in animals, there are sinful entities and pious entities. So how much neglectful we are, we will be born among such species. As a worm, as a germ, all that is based on what actions we perform. So that's does that help, Madhu?
Yes, it does. Thank you, Prabhuji. So how do we pay back? Because as long as we live, we have to eat, and we have to eat plants, which are living entities.
Yes, so which is why as a devotee is also eating. What does he do? He offers food to Krishna and accepts as prasad. It is saying, suppose you are using a plant which is being cooked and you are offering it to Krishna. That plant which has given, which you have taken for offering to Krishna and eating as food, that plant immediately in its next birth will get a human birth. So you see, otherwise the plant has to wait. It has to go through Jalaja Lakshani, Sthavar Lakshvimshiti, Krimyo Rudra Sankhya. It has to go through aquatics, insects, mammals, birds, mammals, and then human beings. After many millions of janmas, it has to wait to get a human birth. Because human birth is not very ordinary birth. It's a very rare birth. Because only in human birth one can successfully execute his mission of his material existence and go back to Krishna. Other janmas you cannot. This Bhagavatam class can be heard by human beings. Cats and dogs cannot sit in this Bhagavatam class or Bhagavad Gita class. They cannot study Bhagavad Gita. We can, because we have higher intelligence. We can think about issues other than cats. Animals are only interested in how to eat, how to sleep, how to mate, and how to defend. Ahara, nidra, bhaya, maitunam. That is their only business. Eating, sleeping, mating, defending. 24 hours, they're only thinking where I can find food, where I can find my mate, where I can sleep, where I can. This is their only business. So if human beings are also doing the same thing, then he's no better than animals. A human being has to think beyond. Why am I born here? My loved ones, my father, my grandfather, they are gone. Where have they gone? What happens to me after I die? So these are the kind of questions. Who am I? Why is suffering forced on me? So these are the kind of inquiries that a human being can make. Animals cannot make. Athato Brahma Jignasa. Now that you have got a human body, you got a human body, you must begin to inquire into the absolute truth. Athato Brahma Jignasa. And for such a person, Guru is required. Guru is not required to treat one's medical illness, to treat some court case, or to treat some family problem. For that, you can go to family counselor, or you can go to a doctor, or you can go to a lawyer. You don't need to, you don't need a guru for that. Guru is required if you want to understand the truth. If you want to solve the real problems of material existence. That such a person, Tasmat Gurum Prapadyeta Jignasu Shaya Uttamam. Tasmat Gurum Prapadyeta Jignasu. When you have this jignasa, what kind of jignasa? Who am I? What happens to me after I die? Why is suffering forced on me? I don't want to grow old. I don't want to die. Why am I forced to undergo? When you have this kind of an inquiry, then you need Tasmat Gurum Prapadyeta. Then you need to surrender to Guru. So, yes, so the plant is being favored. When a devotee is cooking and he's whatever he eats only prasad. And so like that, all these activities a devotee is also doing. But because he has brought Krishna in the center of all his activities, therefore he becomes free from all obligations. But that is very important. You have to keep Krishna in the center. If Krishna is only for namesake, and then my real intention is my sense enjoyment, then you are still bound. Then you will still have to, you will be still responsible. So we have to become pure devotees. So that is our tapasya. So does it help?
Very much, Prabhuji. Very much. Hare Krishna.
And Prabhu, there is one relevant shloka in Gita, right, in this matter. Yajna Shishta Sinasanto Muchyante.
Yes. This is 3.13. Yajna Shishta Sinasanto Muchyante Sarva Kilbishai. Bhunjate Tetva Agham Papa Ye Pachanti Atma Karana. Which talks about how important it is that whatever food we eat should be offered to Krishna. If you eat food which is not offered to Krishna, one is eating only a mouthful of sin. So yes, that's a very nice point. Yes, Mataji, Sindhu Mataji, you had something to say. Please go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
It's just that when you was talking about the four classification of a Kshatriya, Shudra, Vaishya, and Brahmana, why was Karna always considered as a Shudra's son? I mean, he felt like that when he had the qualities of a Kshatriya, shouldn't he be a Kshatriya? Shouldn't be classified as a Kshatriya?
Yeah. So again, these are so he was very upset that he was not given the opportunity during Draupadi Swayamvara. And there are a lot of background of what happened exactly in this case. I also do not know exactly the details, but the this principle is something that I can confirm this to you, that the recognition of a person is based on his qualities and not based on his birth. So there are many examples of incidents in the Vedic history, how people who were from born in a different family but were accepted to be of a different varna. Like in the case of Rishabdeva had got 100 sons. Some of them became Brahmana, some of them became they continued as Kshatriyas, and some of them they took sannyas. So they're obviously, so those are all based on their qualifications. Although Rishabdev was a king, he was a Kshatriya, but then his children, because they had different pursuit, they became recognized as a Brahmana, not based on their family, not based on their birth. There is also this Jabalopanishad. I had also mentioned this earlier, which talks about one boy whose name was Jabala. He approached Gautama Muni. He said, "My dear Gurudev, please accept me as your disciple." So Gautama Muni asked him, "So who's your father?" Just like if you want to admit your children in school, they will ask your father, your mother, their occupation, their income, their salary. So many things they ask. Full biodata they will take for the family. So he wanted to know what is this person's background, what is his qualification, and things like this. So who is your father? So this Jabala said, "I do not know who is." So it's very embarrassing for somebody to say, "I do not know who's my father." But he was very frank. "I do not know." So then Gautama Muni said, "Okay, you go and ask your mother. Mother will go and ask your mother." So he went to his mother. And then, so his mother said, "Even I do not know." Because his mother was a prostitute. And she doesn't know from which man his child was born. So this Jabala came back to Gautam Muni and he said that even my mother doesn't know who is my father. Very embarrassing to say something like that. But then he was honest and very frank. He said this. So Gautam Muni noted this, that this boy is very truthful. And this is one of the symptom of a Brahmana. So although he was born in a degraded family, he said, "Yes, I accept you as my disciple." And he trained and he became a Brahmana. So like this, the society was very liberal. There was no hard and fast restriction for somebody to be qualified or be accepted. It was purely based on qualification. So these are the principles. So this is how best I can explain. Explain to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Thank you very much for joining. Let's meet again next week. Next week, there is a very special festival that is being observed. This is the Jagannath Rath Yatra. So this is this in Puri, in Jagannath Puri. There is going to be a grand annual Yatra of Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Mai. And it's a there are nearly I think 2 million people congregate. But I think this year we're going to manage with all the COVID restrictions. Last year also it was very much highly with all the COVID guidelines. They had say, ceremonial Rath Yatra. It has very very interesting history behind. It is a very colorful festival. So next week, let us uh, look closely into the significance of Jagannath Rath Yatra, and have some glimpses of celebrations in the coming week. So I'll see you all soon next week for this special program. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Bye,
Thank
Bob.
you.
Thank you, Hari.
Thank you, Hare Krishna.